Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted to explore the incredible capabilities of Chat GPT-4 without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to access the latest version of Chat GPT for free with some exciting hacks. Let's dive in. Before we get into the hacks, let's quickly look at Chat GPT. It's an interactive AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. Initially designed for customer service but is now used for various tasks, like writing, translations, and more. Released on March 14, 2023. Chat GPT-4 is the latest iteration of this impressive AI model. GPT-4 is a multimodal model that processes text and image inputs, unlike its predecessors. Some key features of GPT-4 include enhanced image analysis, improved support for multiple languages, and more accurate and faster responses. Now, you might wonder how to access Chat GPT-4 without paying for a subscription. Well, here are some hacks to enjoy the powerful features of GPT-4 for free. One way to use Chat GPT-4 for free is through Microsoft's Bing search engine. Microsoft has integrated GPT-4 into Bing's chatbot. Here's how you can access it. 1. Install the latest version of Microsoft Edge on your PC or laptop. 2. Visit the official site of Bing using the link provided in the description. 3. Click Start Chatting to begin your GPT-4 experience. If prompted, sign into your Bing account. Hugging Face, a popular GitHub AI community, offers a free Chat GPT-4 chatbot. While it might have a waiting time due to high traffic, it's worth a try. 1. Visit the Hugging Face website through the link provided below. Two. Type your queries in the console and click Run to get your responses. Another fantastic option is Aura.sh, a web platform for building LLM apps with a shareable chat interface. Here's how to access Chat GPT-4 on Aura.sh. 1. Open the Aura.sh platform using the link mentioned in the description. 2. Sign in with your email address. 3. Start using Chat GPT-4 for free without any message limit or waiting time. Nat.dv, launched by the ex-CEO of GitHub, allows you to compare various LLM models and even use Chat GPT-4 for free. 1. Go to nat.dv website and sign up with your email address and phone number. 2. After signing up, change the model to Get 4 in the settings. 3. Visit the Playground tab and ask your questions for free. And there you have it. 4 awesome hacks to use Chat GPT-4 for free. It's fantastic to see the advancements in AI technology. But remember to use these tools responsibly, and avoid sharing sensitive information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting with Chat GPT-4.